Hey everyone, welcome back. If you hate paying baggage fees and struggling to fit everything in your carry-on, you've probably seen the ads for the Ekster Vacuum Bag. It promises to save you a ton of space, but is it a legit product that works or just clever marketing? Let's unpack the truth. First off, is Ekster itself a trustworthy company? Absolutely. Their website has been around for 25 years, and scamadvisor.com gives it a perfect 100 safety score. Even better, they're a certified B-Corp, which means they meet high standards for social and environmental responsibility. This isn't some random pop-up shop. It's an established brand with a great 4.7-star rating on Trustpilot from thousands of customers. So what exactly are you getting? The TravelPack Vacuum Kit includes special bags and a portable, battery-powered air pump. You pack your clothes, like sweaters or jackets, into the bag, seal it, and use the pump to suck all the air out. This compresses everything down flat. The bags are also waterproof and odor-proof, which is a huge bonus for keeping dirty laundry separate. They claim it can save up to 60% of your space, and with a 100-day risk-free trial, they're clearly confident it works. Now, the big question, is it worth the roughly $90 price tag? If you're a frequent traveler who constantly battles with overstuffed luggage and checked bag fees, then yes, this could be a game changer. It's perfect for packing bulkier items. However, if you're a light packer or mainly travel with thin fabrics that don't compress much, you might not get the same dramatic value. It's a specialized tool for a specific problem. My final take? The Ekster Vacuum Bag is a legitimate and highly rated product from a reputable company. It does what it says, but its value depends heavily on your personal travel style. For the right person, it's absolutely worth it to finally win the carry-on game. What do you think? Would you try a vacuum bag? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.